Instagram, Mark Morris, told to be the broke.com, engineer with the most civil engineering videos in the world, building a $10 million business. Make sure you subscribe. For you guys who owe for guys who have deposits at Bank of America, Chase, they said due to a computer glitch, they couldn't give people their deposits. So people were able to put their money into the bank, but they're not able to get their money out of the bank. Maybe they give them a small portion. Subscribe. That's why I tell you people who have equity in your homes, just because it's a bad sign for you. Because now this is an excuse for the banks to say, oh, well, because of the bank run and stuff, we can't give you any money on your house. Every time you take equity out the house, you take equity out the bank's pocket. Your equity is the most powerful thing that you have because you're like the bank. You're making money out of nothing. And it makes hate when you take equity out the house. Even 8%, you should be taking equity out the house. They got all the people scared. Oh, if you take the money out your house and you don't repay that loan, they can take the house. Let them take the house, man. You don't take $200,000 or $300,000. Do you really want to live next to that? I was driving around yesterday down Redlands Boulevard. Do you really live next to the neighbor who comes out to the garage every day, the barking dog next door, the kids across the street, and all that stuff, or just someone doing the kids, it's not the parents, the kids doing the vaping because the kids ain't got no money, so they moved in with the parents, with the kids and all that stuff, the family. Do you really want to live next to that? It could be in your best interest to lose the house and keep the $300,000. Say if you even lived in an apartment, $2,000 for say 10 years, so that's 2,000 times 24,000. 2,000, that's 24,000 times 10 years. So you have 10 years worth of rent. Some of you guys have $300, $400, $500 million in equity in your house. You can live for an apartment forever. You don't need to worry about where to rent. I want to buy another house. Why? Why do you want to buy a house, man? House is in jail. You better off being in jail than being in a house, man. Because some of you guys are afraid to take the money out your house. Criminals, at least in jail, get paid, get food and stuff. You living in a house, you put money in it. I'm gonna sell it. It's gonna go up. It ain't gonna go up, man. Even if it does go up, only for the bank, because they keep getting your money year after year after year. So subscribe. What I'm gonna tell you is make sure you have some extra cash in the house now, because now the banks are playing this game with your deposits, especially if you Bank of America, Chase. So subscribe. Stay connected so you can stay ahead.